The surprise lily, naked lady, or resurrection lily is a flowering plant that belongs in the amaryllis family. It's aptly named the surprise lily because its blooms seemingly emerge from out of nowhere late in the summer, after the foliage has already died back. The plant has pale pink trumpet-shaped flowers that are often fragrant, and they are borne on tall leafless stems. Its strap-like foliage appears early in the spring with the daffodils. They prefer full sun to partial shade. Well-drained soil is ideal. Plant the bulbs in autumn or early winter. Once established, they require minimal care. Surprisingly hardy and able to withstand cold temperatures. They are a symbol of rebirth. The surprise lily's unique growth cycle has led to various symbolic meanings, often associated with renewal and unexpected joy. Surprise lily is a relatively low maintenance plant that rewards patience with its stunning blooms. Plant them in the autumn or early winter. Bury the bulbs about 6 to 8 inches deep and 6 inches apart, and choose a spot with well-drained soil and partial shade. Water lightly until the growth emerges, then moderately during its growth period. Reduce watering as foliage begins to die back, and apply a potassium-rich fertilizer in late autumn and a nitrogen-rich fertilizer in early spring. Protect the bulbs in colder areas with a deep winter mulch. Lycoris dislikes being disturbed. Once planted, avoid planting around them. It may take a year or two for the bulbs to establish and bloom. They can naturalize in ideal conditions, creating a stunning display. Generally resistant to pests and other diseases. Magic lilies are propagated primarily through division. After flowering is the best time, usually late in summer. Although the foliage dies back, to an alternative option is in early summer, dig up the clump. Carefully excavate the entire clump of bulbs and separate them. Gently divide the clump into smaller sections. Each contains several bulbs. Ensure each division has healthy roots, and plant the divided bulbs in well-drained soil at a depth of about 8 to 12 inches. Space them 6 inches apart. New blooms the first year. Newly divided Lycoris bulbs may not bloom in their first year as they establish roots. Divide every 3 years. To maintain vigor and prevent overcrowding, divide your Lycoris clumps every 3 years. And have patience. Lycoris bulbs can be slow to establish, so be patient as they develop. Handle the bulbs carefully during plant division. They prefer soil with good drainage and adequate sunlight. And they can tolerate some shade. They bloom best in full sun. Water regularly during the growing season to ensure the soil remains moist but not soggy. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.